Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to get cursor back on your Predator 17. So there is a chance that your touchpad has been disabled, and there are three methods of enabling it back and they don't work interchangeably. So if it was disabled through the first method, it can't be enabled through any of the other ones. And the first one is clicking on this button next to the touchpad. If it turns red, the touchpad is off. If it turns green, the touchpad is on. If it didn't help, then try clicking on Fn and F7, which has this touchpad symbol that enables or disables the touchpad and doesn't work interchangeably with the first method. If the cursor didn't appear, if it didn't help, try clicking on Windows key on your keyboard and type in settings. Then click on Tab key until you go to System. If you go too far, you can just click on Shift and Tab to go back. Click on space. I'm gonna go back. So if I click on, I believe that if I click on Tab, no, I need to go Home. Okay, Tab, System, and go to Devices using arrows. Then click on space to enter that, and Tab to Bluetooth and Devices, and arrows to Touchpad. Then click on space and find touchpad. If it's off, then click on space to turn it on. And now try working with it. If it didn't help, then try restarting your laptop by pressing and holding on the power button until it goes off. Then press on it again and it should turn on. If it still didn't work, then the only thing that you can do now is go to Device Manager, so press on the Start button and go to Device Manager. Then click on Tab and click on arrows to just find the either mice and pointing device or HID, probably the HID. And click on the right arrow to expand the menu, and you can see the HID compliant touchpad. Click on Enter. And now click on arrows to select either general, driver, details, or events. And if it says disable device, then the device is enabled, so we can disable that, and that's what I'm gonna do. Click on Tab, space, go to the right, yes, now it's disabled, and restart your laptop and it should be working. If it still didn't work, try plugging in an external mouse because your touchpad may be just not working. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.